our channel. I'm Madison.
And I'm Keegan.
Today we're gonna build a... Wait, what? What?
We're gonna build a catapult.
What is a catapult?
What's a catapult? Catapult is a device used to launch an object. So let's get started.
So there's 12 popsicle sticks.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take two and put it to the side. We're gonna put...
So how many in your stack?
10.
Okay. Looks like Madison's got it. You do this to your hair every day, don't you? Is that why it's easy for you? Look at that. Let me see. So you have two ends with elastics, right?
And then I'm gonna take these two and I'm gonna...
Oh, Keegan, did you get it?
Yay!
Awesome. Now what are you guys gonna do?
We're gonna wrap it again.
Two.
With
And then I'm
two.
gonna do the thing. Uh-oh, I forgot how you do it.
You wrap it around, buddy. How'd you get the other ones? Come on. Wrap it, twist it.
Twist
You
it.
got it.
Go up.
Yeah. And now you have what? A two?
Venus.
What's
Maddie,
happening?
can you help your brother?
No. Let me just restart over for the last thing.
What are you doing, Madison?
I'm trying to pick this.
You're putting a spoon on it?
Yeah.
Is that the catapult part? Let me see.
Uh-oh.
Cool. Should you put one more elastic on the spoon, maybe?
Yeah. I'm gonna put it here.
Yeah. One more. Did you get it, buddy?
Yep.
Awesome.
After spoon. Do you do the same as here, Madison?
So either you can tie the spoon on first, or you can put an elastic around the middle.
I did first the spoon.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, this is hard now.
I don't know if I did it the right thing.
All right, I'm gonna pause the video so Mommy can help these kiddos.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Mom.
Mom.
All right, so let's see your end results. So you have your catapult.
And then you go here and you put it down.
Now what are we gonna do now? We're gonna test our little objects that we have.
Yeah.
So what do we have? We have some puffy, I
Balls
don't
and
know if you
then
really call these like pom-pom balls.
yeah, and then another one.
Gumballs, marshmallows, and then these are the same little teeny ones and a little bit bigger than the other ones.
Yes, I'm gonna
They're
start
the
with
big
I don't know.
monster.
You're gonna go toward yourself now? Are you gonna hit me?
Yeah.
Try to get me. Whoa!
Okay.
What's next? You do the small one?
Green tea. Hit mama.
Oh, that would be good. No. So now we figured out that the bigger one went further, right? Higher in the air.
Now we're doing the gumballs. I love pink, so I'm going for
Oh
the
gosh, good balls.
I'm going to
Careful.
I hit the
I think the gumballs are too heavy. What do you think?
Yeah.
I busted it.
You almost made a dent. Okay,
I
now we're
busted
trying the
gumballs.
marshmallow. We're trying the
I
marshmallow.
busted it.
Ooh, a marshmallow.
Open your mouth.
Oh wait. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna watch it.
Go for it.
I'm eating.
I'm better than mine, but
Again. Now we're trying these Smithers. I don't know.
So really small.
Yeah.
only try it when it flies off.
Woo, marshmallows flying.
I need two.
Hey, you're supposed to be flinging the marshmallows, not eating them.
I am.
I'm doing
20
the
part
big.
move.
I'm doing the big.
Eating.
Okay.
Watch out, Mama.
We do two.
These are really.
Ah!
Put that in your mouth.
I lost this catch thing. Let me try a marshmallow.
Let's see if this will fit.
Ah, gotta get.
Wait, how do you do it?
I can't. Can you get it in my mouth?
Here. I'm gonna see if I can get this in my mouth.
Ooh, that's gonna be dangerous. Ooh, what?
I'm gonna like bend it.
What is that, a gumball?
Yeah. Gumballs.
Am I allowed to eat it? Am I allowed to eat it?
I think I'm.
Alright, so our catapults work?
Yeah!
I think they work going upwards versus more forward, right?
Ah!
It's hard. That was so hard.
We have two gumballs.
It tastes good.
Yummy
Was
gumballs!
this fun?
Mm-hmm.
I think everyone should try it.
Yeah.
All it is is what? Popsicle sticks,
Yeah.
glue, and elastics. And then whatever you have
Easy!
around the house.
No hot glue.
Alright.